Hi guys, welcome to another edition of the show. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to convince anybody to buy from you. I mean anyone to buy from you. Now my name is Tuni Ogunowo. I'm a digital marketing strategist. I'm also a salesperson. I help entrepreneurs make sales online and offline. A lot of times, entrepreneurs come to me and tell me, hey Tuni, I'm running campaigns online, but I'm not getting results, I'm not getting sales. The first question I ask them is, what's their campaign strategy? Now I'm going to be defining what campaign strategy is for you later in the video. Now, a sales funnel is a well-structured series of touch points, a series of actions that people will take from the first stage to the last stage. Now, the first stage, where they come in contact with your business, till they buy from you and till you retain them and they become advocates of your brand. The first step is to understand your business so much, right? Now, sometimes some entrepreneurs don't understand their business to know how customers buy from them or how they want customers to buy from them or the series of actions they want customers to take to buy from them. You need to understand your business so much that you will create this sales funnel. You will create these touch points yourself, because these touch points are the actions you want people to take to buy from you. So you need to understand your business process so much. Now, the first stage, as I said, is what determines the kind of campaign strategy you are running. As I said before, if the first stage of your sales funnel is to drive traffic to a website, it means that the kind of campaign strategy you are adopting is traffic, driving traffic to that website. If the first stage of your funnel is to get people to download an app, it means that the kind of campaign strategy you are adopting is app downloads, is for app downloads. Do you understand? So you need to understand your business so much. Now, the first thing you want people to do is to maybe download your app. After downloading your app, what do you want them to do next? Sign up for an account. After signing up for an account, what do you want them to do next? Maybe pay for subscription. After paying for subscription, what do you want them to do next? Maybe watch movies or perform actions or perform services on your app. After they perform the service, what do you want them to do next? Do you want them to share what they've done? Do you want them to share the service or share the content they've consumed on your app? Now, these are the actions. And these are the actions you have carefully structured out for the customers to perform when they come in contact with your business in the first time, which is to download your app. Do you understand? So these are the things that you should know. Now, most times, some customers want people to just see their business today and buy from them tomorrow or buy from them immediately. Now, that does not happen. Take yourself, for instance. When you see a brand, do you buy from the brand the same day? You don't. There's something called the customer journey. And you must understand that people have specific journeys to take before they buy from you. From the first day they see you to the day they remove money from their pockets or from their bank accounts to pay for your service. Now, you must make sure that the journey of the customer and your touch points are alike. Do you understand? Now, the first journey of the customer is the awareness. That's also the first stage of your sales funnel, the awareness stage. In that stage, you are making them aware of your product. You are making them know what you can offer to them, what you can do for them, how you can help them solve their problems. Now, once they see that, they begin to think, okay, yeah, I've seen you, I've known you. The next stage will be for interest, to get their interest. Now, in this stage, what you'll be telling them is things that make you unique, things that make you different from the same people who are doing the same thing you're doing. Things that make you different from the same business doing the same thing you're doing. So that means at this stage, maybe you are telling them your unique selling points, what you are doing differently, how you can help them solve their problems differently from the same person doing the same business you do, right? So remember, I said the first stage is the awareness. Under the awareness stage, I'm saying that you will tell them things about your business, how you can help them. The next stage is interest. Here you are telling them your unique selling points, what makes you different. And then after interest, the next stage is consideration. Now, after you get their interest, they begin to research. Okay, yes, I know you are doing this, but let me research more about your company, or let me research more about your company in relation or comparing your company to other people who are doing the same thing you do. That is the consideration stage. They are considering you, but they still need to know more about you. Now, in this stage, you are probably telling them case studies, testimonies, people who have used your service before, or people who have used your product before, and their testimonials, what they are saying about your products. Now, when they see these testimonials, right, when they do their research and they come across these testimonies, that can make them consider you as the brand to work with. After consideration, the next stage is purchase, to buy from you. This is the point where they remove their money to pay for your goods and services or to pay for your products, right? So here, what you are doing is to make sure that they can pay easily for your products, right? You are giving them so many payment options that will enable them pay for your products, right? After payment, the next stage is retention. After they paid for your products once, you don't want to lose them. You want to retain them. So here you are telling them things that will make them stay with your brand instead of going to someone else who is doing the same thing you're doing. And that's the retention stage, making them loyal customers, making them fans of your business. That's the next stage. And then the last stage is advocacy. Now, at this point, now they are loyal customers. But the truth is that you cannot market to everyone. Sometimes you need your customers to market your business, and that's the part of advocacy. Now you are telling them things that will make them tell other people about your business. Do you understand? Because it's only then that you can market to people that you are never reaching out to in the first place. Now they are becoming marketers of your business for free, right? And that's good for your business. Now, I have told you what a sales funnel is, and I've also told you how a sales funnel or your sales funnel determines the kind of campaign strategy to adopt. Now, it is also not wise to copy someone else's sales funnel because your sales funnel should be unique for your business. And it's also possible that you are selling something and maybe your friend is also selling the same thing. Let's say you're selling a phone, you're selling phones, and your friend is also selling phones, and your funnels are different. That is very possible. And since your funnel is different from your friend who is also selling the same thing you're selling, it means that your campaign strategies will be different. It is okay to learn from people, but you need to understand your business and understand the kind of actions you want people to take to buy from you. I also told you the stages of the marketing funnel. Of course, the marketing funnel is also the same thing as the sales funnel. I told you there's the awareness stage where people come in contact with your business for the first time, and then the next stage is the interest stage where you get people's interest to buy from you. And the next step is the consideration stage where you are telling them what is unique about your business, why you are unique, your unique selling point, what makes you different from other people doing the same thing you are doing, right? And the next stage is to buy from you, where they bring out money from their pocket to purchase from you. And after purchase, the next stage is retention, where you retain them and make them loyal customers. And after being loyal customers, the next stage is advocacy, where you make them advocates of your brand, where you make them share your content, tell people about your brand. Now, in all these stages, you are sharing content that will make them move to the next stage. That's basically what you're doing. In the awareness stage, we are sharing content that will make them move to the interest stage. In the interest stage, we are sharing content that will make them move to the consideration stage. In the consideration stage, we are sharing content that will make them move to the purchase stage. In the purchase stage, we are sharing content that will make them move to the retention stage. In the retention stage, we are sharing content that will make them move to the advocacy stage. Now, if you follow these stages religiously, I can bet it that you can convince anyone to buy from you. All it takes is just knowing the kind of content to share at a particular stage to make the customer move from that stage to the next stage. That's all you're doing, right? So I implore you to follow these stages religiously and know that there's the customer journey, right? And just what you're doing is to share content that will make them move from one stage of the journey to the next stage of the journey, right? So if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get more videos, you can get notifications when we upload more videos. As always, my name is Tunde Ogunnowo. I'm a salesperson, and I'll see you next time.